Hello everyone, welcome back to our class 12 economics series. So far we have learned the basic concepts, factor income, domestic territory, gross and net concepts, and market price versus factor cost. Now we are entering one of the most important sections of the chapter, basic aggregates. Many students think GDP, GNP, NDP and NNP are difficult, but by the end of this video you will understand exactly what each term means and how are they interconnected. Don't try to memorize these terms separately. Think of them as one family. We will begin with GDP and then gradually move to GNP, NDP and NNP by making small changes step by step. Let's break this definition into simple parts. GDP stands for gross domestic product. Gross means depreciation has not been deducted. When we deduct depreciation, then it becomes net. Domestic means production takes place within India's domestic territory, and product means goods and services produced, and market price means the value indicates indirect tax and reflects the price paid by users. Suppose a car is manufactured in India, during the current year, its value will be included in India's GDP at market price. So the board tip for you is highlight these four keywords. Remember these four words: gross, domestic, final goods, market price. Everything is amongst this. Now let's convert GDP at market price into GDP at factor cost. So in these two words you will find the differences between market price and factor cost. So factor cost is the amount actually received by factors of production. Since market price includes indirect tax, we subtract them. If the government provides subsidy, they reduce the market price, so we add the subsidies back. That's why GDP at factor cost, the formula is GDP at market price minus indirect tax and subsidies. This formula is one of the most frequent question asked in CBSE board examination. GDP focuses on where production takes place. GNP focuses on who earns the income. So differences between D and N, domestic and national. So to move from GDP to GNP, we add net factor income from abroad, because some people who are living in other countries, they might be sending some amount home. So that amount will also be added. So if Indian resident earn more abroad than foreign earn in India, then NFIA is positive. Vice versa, if foreign residents in India earn more, then NFIA is negative, because the amount will be more that will go outside. So GNP is equals to GDP plus NFIA. So GDP means place of production, GNP means ownership by normal residents. Now we move from gross to net. Gross means before deducting depreciation. Net means after deducting depreciation. So NDP is equals to GDP minus depreciation. Depreciation is also called consumption of fixed capital. Finally, we reach NNP. First, convert GDP into GNP by adding NFIA. Then subtract depreciation. The result is net national product. This is another key formula that you should remember for numericals. This flowchart connects all the concepts we have learned today. Instead of memorizing separate formulas, remember this sequence. Once you understand this flow, almost every numerical in this chapter becomes much easier. Now pause the video and solve these questions yourself before checking the answers. Practice these basic calculations now will help you in solving more complex board questions later. And put your answers in the comment box. I will pin the correct answers. Today, we understood the meaning of GDP, GNP, NDP and NNP along with the formulas that connect them. These are the foundation of national income accounting and appear regularly in CBSE board examination. In the next video, we will study personal income, personal disposable income, private income and national disposable income. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your classmates. See you in the next lesson.